Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 17, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, the sun rises at 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:23 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Jupiter and Saturn are the morning planets. Rising over 5 hours before sunrise, Jupiter is nearly 40 degrees above the east-southeast horizon at 1 hour before sunrise. The planet is slowly moving eastward in front of Aries, 11.8 degrees below Hamel, the constellation's brightest star, and 11.7 degrees above Menkar, Cetus Nostral. Through a telescope at 4:22 a.m. CDT, the planet's Great Red Spot, a long-lived storm in the clouds, is at the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere. Saturn is in the south-southwest this morning. Rising before midnight, the planet appears here during morning twilight. The ringed wonder is retrograding in front of Aquarius, 7.0 degrees to the upper right of Scat, meaning the leg, and 5.6 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. See the article to locate Saturn in the starfield. Retrograde motion is an illusion when Earth overtakes an outer planet and passes between it and the Sun. Earth and Saturn revolve in a counterclockwise direction from north of the solar system. As Earth moves between the Sun and planet, the line of sight, that normally moves eastward compared to the stars, moves westward, giving the illusion that Saturn is backing up. The Moon is at its new moon phase at 1:32 p.m. CDT. In the evening sky, a planet traffic jam occurs in the evening sky during brighter twilight. Brilliant Venus shines through evening twilight, but a binocular is needed to see Mercury, Mars, and the star Regulus. Find a clear view toward the west. A hilltop or elevated structure provide views across possible obstructions. By 45 minutes after sunset, brilliant Venus is less than 10 degrees above the horizon. Use the optical assist to find Regulus in the same binocular field with Venus, 3.5 degrees above the evening star. Then find Mars, 4.5 degrees to the upper left of Regulus. Depending on the binocular's characteristics, the grouping may snugly fit into the same field of view. Setting an hour after the Sun, Mercury is very low in the west-northwest, over 15 degrees to the lower right of Venus. At this altitude, height above the horizon, the atmosphere dims and reddens celestial objects. A binocular is needed. As twilight ends at this season, the Scorpion crawls across the southern horizon. The brightest star, Antares, meaning the rival of Mars, is over 20 degrees above the south-southwest horizon. It is one of the largest known stars in our region of the Milky Way galaxy. Given its reddish hue and its incredible intrinsic brightness, the star is about 250 times the Sun's diameter. From Antares, the body of Scorpius can be traced downward toward the horizon and then curves back up, ending at Jola, meaning the cocked-up part of the tail, and Lysith, the sting. The stars appear close together and are sometimes named the cat's eyes. Moving westward from Antares, the forehead is marked by Juba. The claws, today part of Libra, reach westward. The stars retain their historic names Zubina Shamali, the northern claw, and Zubinel Janubi, the southern claw. Explore this region of the sky with a binocular. The direction of the galaxy's center is to the upper left of Shola and Lysith behind Sagittarius, the next constellation eastward. Star clusters, star clouds, lanes of dust, and gaseous nebula are visible in this area. Messier 4, M4 on the chart, is easily located in the same binocular field with Antares. It is a globular cluster appearing as a tiny cotton ball-like stellar bundle. It has thousands of stars. These clusters revolve around a galaxy outside the plane, and a map helped astronomers predict the direction of the galactic center. Other star clusters, like the Pleiades, Hyades, and Beehive, mark the plane of the galaxy and revolve around the center along that plane. Check out this region of the sky before the moon grows too bright and moves through this region. Saturn rises about 2 hours after sunset and it is about 10 degrees above the horizon an hour later. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.